Okay, so I just got off the phone with the wildlife of North Carolina. And I asked about these here eggs because I don't see that bird back here often. And it looks like one of them is leaking or something. I don't know. But I was told that I cannot do anything with these eggs right now. It's been nearly 2 weeks, maybe 10 days since I've noticed them. And I used to see the birds coming back here, jumping in the nest, checking on things or whatever. But now I don't. So unless she's only coming out when I'm inside, I don't know. I'm out here a lot gardening. I'm working a lot out here. So usually I would catch her hopping out when I would slide the glass door open and bouncing around the yard. So I don't know. I have to wait. They said at least another 3 weeks. Now, and she said after 3 weeks, if they have not hatched, if nothing has happened, to just take them out and leave them for some animal to eat them. I can't do that. I don't know. I might have to give them back to nature in my plants as a fertilizer. Uh, so we got another 3 weeks. See if these babies are viable. I'm telling you, you know, they have like the candle trick or the flashlight trick. They say you should be able to see something if they have been fertilized. And just from the sun, I don't see anything. But you know what? I don't know. I don't know. But I see that one of these eggs is leaking, and I wonder if it's hatching. I don't know. We'll see. Let me see if I can. I have my hat on. I don't know if you guys can see the little bubbles. Whew, maybe it's starting to hatch. I don't know. There are two of them down there that look pretty dark on the inside when the sun shines on them. But another 3 weeks. Okay, well that's an update on these eggs, and we'll see. We'll see what happens.